Hello again and welcome to aquaheat.org.uk. My name's Steve and here we are on another installation, this time of another Worcester product. It's the Worcester 25 SI, and this time it is in Earlsfield Wandsworth, which is sw18. So on this particular boiler we took out a glowworm, I think it was an old compy heat boiler, and we put in a new modern condensing boiler. This time it's a Worcester 25 SI combi condensing boiler. We fitted it with the wireless DT20 RF, so you set your heating times. There's a hot water preheat timer in here on the boiler, and we've got a temperature control for central heating, temperature control for our hot water. Pressure gauge here. As I say, the filling point again is underneath here. There's a key there. You can look at our other video on how to top up the pressure on the system. These are all the instructions here. We drain the system, flush the system through, put a date on here which says when it was done, and that's it really. Everything's all piped up. We've done a new condense pipe outside into the waste, which has been fully lagged, and that's it. These are very efficient boilers. General gas savings are between £200 and £300 per year, compared to an average G-band rated gas appliance. So that's the boiler there. We fit it with a wireless stack, which is over here. So probably a bit shady in here, but this is where the original one is. So it's wireless, so there's no cables involved, and when there's two batteries in here, but it will bleep long before it needs batteries replacing. Very simple, just put it down, put new ones in. Batteries should last a year to 2 years, and that's it really. We heat test the system. It's all balanced and fully functional, and as a GasSafe engineer I registered the boiler with GasSafe. And also I'm an installer for Worcester, so I registered for the extended warranty. So thank you very much for watching, and drop us an email if you want further info at aquaheat.org.uk.